Yo, today I gotta go change a couple tires. I've got Drift Matsuri this weekend. So yeah, we're getting ready for that, and I gotta go get some banners. I think I'm gonna make some like side skirt extensions, like some lip extensions today. So we're gonna go to like
All this off, took the turbo off, down pipe, wastegate, everything. So it's still rattling, and it was this. The whole time it was just this nut here. So we got this.
Yo, yeah, we're just gonna go cruise on down to Blink Company, get these tires on.
Make sure there's out of gear. Mobilize it. Oh, is that all you got? Is that all you got?
Big shotty, little shotty, hey. We out. Go, see you there, boss. Fuck, I'm almost out of gas. Fuck, we got some gas, man. Ah, well, back home. Come on. You can't even see, like, there you go. Wow, that's dirty. Thing dirty as shit. I got mad towing on that side. That side's fine though. But that crate looks sick, dude. Yeah, by the way, these semis are only on it for like a couple weeks. I just had some 275s and they were toasted, so I didn't want to drive up to Taupo on those, so.
That's what we got. I was trying to get like perspex or something, but I mean, they should do the trick, like, let's put two of them. I think we'll just paint them black, we'll measure them up and get the Origin Labo large canouts to the front too, the get some of those, and then yeah, we'll add these to the side, put them in extension, and then yeah, it's in the future maybe a Labo, full Labo lip kit or something, but yeah, so I was gonna take these skirts off and yeah, we'll get straight into it. One cable tie. Just the one. One skirt, one cable tie. That's all you need. People telling you you need bolts, you need this, you need hardware, you need riv nuts. Nah, you need cable ties, man, I'm telling you. There's a hole in it, look. Boom. Smacked it. Dang. Let's go take the other one. So, bang. Two skirts. Now you're probably thinking I got an idea of what I'm doing, but I don't. I don't have a single clue. But I mean, I have an idea, but not a clue. So you get like a basic idea. Looks funny as because like right in the middle. So right there. It's like different to here and here. Almost like bows, like not this way. And they're not turning out too bad. I mean, it's wood, so you're like, what the fuck's he doing? But like, you'll see, you'll see. I mean, you'll see. I reckon that look sick. Oh well, only one way to find out is do it. Yo, me and Bailey just mocked these up real quick. We just got a held almost a 3M double-sided tape. The part, boys, looks the part. Might be time to chuck some bolts in and then paint it up. Not too bad, alright. We got our Bailey of it. It's gonna give us a bit of gloss black action. Hope it turns out sweet, like. Then we'll do that and we'll chuck a bit of clear on it, but I mean, yeah, let's give them a test. Paint in them. I guess yeah, get some paint on them. Get them all nifty. And yeah, we'll chuck them back on the 40. See how they look. Well, we wait for these to dry. I just gotta chalk them up heaps with paint just because it's wood. Just to get rid of like that texture. It's slowly coming along. That was only like half a can. Did the job. Got our Bailey on the smoko run. Catch you soon, boss. Oh, there's a rev. There's a rev. Woohoo! Better ball. What a beast! Yeah. We out here. It's 5 in the morning. Got the crew. Hey. Be a long drive. I mean, you probably can't hear much, but we cruising. We good. Nothing's broken yet. Sun's almost coming up. Damn. We got all the whips. Yeah, all the boys. Oh, it's the butters, it's the butters. It's the butters. Yeah. Oh, yo, check these center caps though. Shout out to the homie Chris. Yeah, we out there. We out here. Got the whips in the back. Got all the butters, got the setup.
What you done here, big man? Oh, get a bit of hammer action going.
Bit of hammer action, copy. Got the setup out here looking mint. Got a stock body 14 over there. Supra. You already know what that is. We got Ferran's whip, Cass's whip, Bailey's whip, Chris at the back. So what's good? It's been a couple days since last was doing those skirt extensions. We had real bad weather. Went to Matsuri, so I'll chuck a few clips in here right about now. Butter. How many times? I don't even know how many times, but yeah, it was good as I've been out there. Next time I'm 100% driving.
None of that hard park life. Not a bit of me. Need to get me out there, get a bit of action, sideways action for y'all. But yo, I ended up finishing those side skirt extensions and yeah, put a bit of a flare on them. So yeah, I'll show you guys them now. So yeah, I'll show you. Got this side all done. I ended up painting them black, and then I got this like pink tape, this like fluoro pink tape, and ended up putting it on. I don't know, just something different. Looks sick. And this side, got this one done as well. Oh, I think we'll open the garage up so you give you a bit of a bad today. Typical New Zealand winter, but. Gives it like that little extra bit, you know, just that little extra bit, and then we'll be adding the front canards, and then I'm just gonna get the rear under panel as well and do the same as I did with the side skirt. So it should look basically all that really cost was I think $20 for the wood itself. That was from Minor 10 Mega, and then I think like 2.4 meter lengths, and then I just cut them to size. And then a bit of black spray paint. I mean, you can use whatever, and then just to stick them on, I use this 3M like clear, like glue, double-sided tip. It's meant to hold like 20 kilos, so I mean, it should do the trick. But I mean, a lot of people were asking me where I got these made and how I got them made. Like, I'll make some for you if you want. Let me know. Just comment down below, and I'll make another thing I did as well. There's this LED shop that my little bro went to, and then he's like, "Yo, bro, check out all these lights." So I ended up going in there and decking everything else. So
these are the new corners. So bright. They should make it look so good. It's like brand new again. Did those, and then what else we got? I did these, but they're real temperamental, like. And Blue Boys. So yeah, I was gonna get like a white LED, but I thought I'd try the blue one. But yeah, it does look pretty sick.
And yeah, today as well, I'm picking up some S15 seats for the back. You'll know I'm still gonna do cage. Come on, I'm still gonna do 8-point cage, big dog cage. In the future, I still need to do tune and stuff, get a bit of track time, all that. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna get these S15 rest seats, just to tidy it up a little bit, just for now. So yeah, comment down below if you want to know anything about the side skirt extensions, LEDs, the lights, you name it. Don't forget, just the usual, the like, comment, subscribe. That's all we need. That's all we need to keep doing the videos. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.